everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy home decor DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this new item I recently found at Dollar Tree, which are these wood slices. Now, I was going to use an empty candle jar, but it was way too big, so instead I decided to use this lid that comes from a Dollar Tree jar. I'm going to start by just gluing all of the slices all around this lid. Now, I was scared because I thought I wasn't going to have enough, but I do actually end up having enough to go all around the lid. And I'm only using hot glue to glue this. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to leave it this color. You can paint this if you want before or after you glue them. Now I'm going to just add some greenery, and that is it. Look how beautiful this planter turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree sign. Now I am going to just take this apart, remove the hanger, and remove the frame. I did use a knife and was very careful. Now I'm going to just paint the back using the Waverly chalk paint in the color white. Once it's dried, I glue the frame back on there, and now you have an empty canvas and you can add whatever you like to this. I will be using another new item that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. The new item I will be using is this gather sign. Now I found one that said gather, and I have another one that says family. Now I'm going to paint them using the Waverly antique wax. Now I'm going to just glue each piece. As you can see, there is a little space on the sides, which that is fine. Now after this is glued on there, I'm going to add this sticker that I recently found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm only going to add a piece of it. I'm actually removing it from the other one I already used so I don't waste this one, and I'm going to just place it right here. I'm going to add some jute twine and then add a bow, and that is it. Look how beautiful this gather sign turned out. my next project, I'm going to use another Dollar Tree sign. Now this one says fall blessings. I did get this during the fall, but Dollar Tree always carries signs that you can use. I removed the paper, but I'm using the back and I'm going to paint it white. I'm going to set it to the side and let it dry. Then I'm going to paint this love wood sign that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it with the Waverly Antique Wax. Now I was planning on adding a frame around this, but I didn't have any more paint sticks, so I'm going to just leave it blank, and I'm going to add some of these hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree. I will be gluing 3 of them, and then underneath that I'm going to glue the love sign, and I used some of the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon with some other red and white buffalo check ribbon that I had, that I made a bow and added this to the middle heart. And that is it for this beautiful love sign. The last thing I did was just add the jute twine back on there for the hanger. For my next project, I'm using this Grateful Hearts Gather Here sign that I got from the Dollar Tree during the fall. Now I'm going to just remove the back and this 3D image that it has, so I can add some scrapbooking paper. This scrapbooking paper is from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to just cut it to size and glue it. I did use my glue gun, but it is better for you to use either Mod Podge or a glue stick. Now you have a beautiful blank, well, it's not blank. Now you can add whatever you like to this. I do want to show you 2 different options. This one right here, I had that said welcome. I actually did this using some Dollar Tree wood planks, and I traced it a Dollar Tree welcome sign and painted white, which I do like how this looks, but I ended up using this hello sign that I got from Walmart and I painted it white. Now you can add this on the center or on the side like I did. And that is it. Look how beautiful this hello sign turned out. And that is it for these beautiful Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.